Guys, we've hit 1,000 subscribers and counting. Yay! The joy, the ease, the relief. I mean, if you're on this YouTube street, you will understand the feeling. Sometimes you have to beg people to subscribe to your channel, to watch your videos. Some persons will be like, I don't have money to subscribe to your channel. I don't have data. I'm like, you don't need. Okay, some people will currently be on YouTube watching videos. I'll be like, okay, just type my username and click on the subscribe button. Don't watch the video yet. Whenever you are ready or you have enough data, you can watch. They'll still insist, I don't have money, I don't have data. So a lot of persons think that you have to subscribe the way you do for DSTV, Showmax, and the likes. So hitting 1K subscribers is a whole lot, is a big deal. So after hitting 1,000 subscribers and even more, what is the next thing? What is the next step? There's nothing that scares me like building of that 4,000 watch hours. It's draining. Like the thought of it alone is, subscribers is like easy peasy kind of thing. It's not easy. But to me, it's easier than building watch hours, building the 4,000 watch hours. I don't even want to hear anything. It is that 4,000 watch hours that is in my mind right now, and I'm trying to build. So, after 1K subscribers, what next? What should one look into? What should be the next step? Should one relax? So, I decided to pick up a few things that I learned, amongst many other things, to share with you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I really want to thank all my subscribers for taking out time to subscribe to my channel, and a lot of you that watch my videos. I'm super grateful. So, now that we are on 1,000 subscribers and still counting, what next? What is the next step? Should we relax? Nahi. So this past few weeks, I've really been busy trying to research, watch other YouTubers, learn new things, put in effort to do better in my videos and all. And I came up with a few things that I've discovered and I think will be useful and helpful to small YouTubers out there in growing their channel. So let's get right into it. First, I would say create contents that are valuable. If you're into lifestyle, tutorial, travel, fashion, and all of that, let them be valuable. Let people get something from every of the videos they watch, no matter how short or how long. People should gain value from that video. It is okay to try different niches at first. It's okay to play around niches and try to get which is more comfortable, conducive, or engaging and valuable, then settle for one. And of course, people can do different niches, but that doesn't mean you should do everything. Like those that are into lifestyle and arts in general, you find out that you get to do these things, you get to cook, you get to travel, you get to do fashion hauls, you get to do reviews and all of that. So lot of things come with lifestyle. So lifestyle vloggers, I really admire them, and I feel if you're into lifestyle, you will do a lot of things. In fact, if you're on YouTube, you do a lot of things, except your channel is strictly for tutorial, for YouTube growth. YouTube, if you understand YouTube very well and you decide to go into YouTube tutorial, they call it I don't know, but there's a there's a name for it. So people, I really admire people that do YouTube tutorial videos, strictly YouTube tutorials. I'm like, okay, hey, these people, for you to know YouTube this well and teach people how to do it, it's really a whole lot, and I give them credit for that. So create valuable content. Secondly, make proper use of your SEO. It really helps. Like I got to discover that videos that have good SEOs do very good. When you type stuff like how to cook vegetable soup, you will see a lot of videos popping up from that thing you typed, and this is as a result of SEO. SEO helps to push videos, it helps to make your videos visible. And if you're posting a video without using SEO or properly using SEO, I don't know the magic you perform for that video to do well, but making use of SEO properly really helps. And I've grown to discover that, and it's really helping me. I think it will help you too. Thirdly, make your thumbnails and titles very catchy. I'm still learning, like I said, and I've come to discover that these things really work like magic. I had a particular video that after uploading for a few days, I think the views were just 2 or 3. I'm like, something is wrong. Even if I don't use SEO at all, this video is supposed to have like up to 10 views at least. So I thought of changing my thumbnail. I created another thumbnail that looked more interesting, and to be honest, from that moment I started getting views, more views on that video. So that's how important thumbnails can be. Then titles should be catchy. It shouldn't be just a clickbait. Like, I'm not in support of a clickbait. You see titles like "He died in my arms," something like that, or "I got 1 million naira yesterday." And those kind of things ginger people. They'll be like, ah, wow, I would like to see or know how this person got 1 million naira just in a day. And they click on that video, and when you watch the video you discover that, okay, it's just a story from a film, or it's just an imagination or something like that. And you'll be like, "Ah, wow." So I watched this video till the end without getting to know that this person won or got 1 million naira in 24 hours. So that it shouldn't be a clickbait. Being catchy and interesting doesn't mean that you should deceive people with your title. So just make it catchy according to what that video is saying. It shouldn't be a different thing from what is in the video. So the fourth thing is this particular point that has really worked for me, and it contributed to my hitting of 1,000 subscribers. Make it a point of duty to upload YouTube shorts every day. Yes, you heard me, every day. It has a tendency of reaching a wider audience, and it travels so fast, faster than even your main videos. And YouTube shorts, like I said, has really helped me. So you could get shorts from your long videos, trim them and upload them on your shorts. Then you attach the link. I made a video about that in case you don't know how to do that. You attach the link to the longer video related to that short to the short. Attach the link. There's a way you relate the video with the short. I made a video on how to do that, but I'm sure a lot of you would know how to do that, so that when people watch the short and are interested in seeing the whole video, they'll just click. They don't have to go back or start searching for it. They'll just click on that link, that title. There's a way YouTube did it that you could just click on, while uploading the short, you click on related video and it will attach the video there. You don't have to go and copy any link to paste and all that. So they'll just click on the title on that short and it will take them to the video and they watch it. It really helps. It brings engagement. It reaches wider audience, like I said. So short, make it a point of duty. Like, post shorts every day. If you can do more than one, if you can do up to 5, don't kill yourself. But if you can do 2 in a day, it's cool, honestly. So that really helped me. Moving on, the fifth thing that has really helped and is still helping me is being consistent. Like, consistency is key. The growth on YouTube is quite different. There are people that have communities on other social media platforms already, so growing on YouTube is easy for them. For example, actors that are already big out there, they have a big community on Instagram and all that. If they come to start up a YouTube channel, it goes up, like it blows up. They don't take time, it doesn't waste time. So you'll be wondering, don't worry, calm down, we are different. They are celebrities and it's not difficult. People would want to see them on this particular platform. They don't even need to say, okay, please subscribe and all that. They do that. they do that, but they don't stress, they don't struggle with it, you know. So it's different. You as a small YouTuber and as an upcoming, you will do all it takes. So being consistent is really, really helpful, and it has really helped me. I have finally settled on a particular schedule and it is helping me. So I post long videos twice a week. I'm still struggling to gain balance, but I'm not where I used to be. Like I said, I'm still building. So being consistent is very key. If you're comfortable with posting a long video once in a week, please stick to that schedule. And if you're comfortable with posting short once in 2 days, stick to that schedule too. But let it be that your subscribers are used to seeing your content weekly, even if it is once. Like I said, please be consistent about it. Finally, learn from other creators and platforms. These days I make it a point of duty to watch other creators, their mistakes, what they learned from them, how they are doing, their growth. You don't necessarily have to copy the same thing they did. You just get inspired by their stories, you get to learn and all of that. It really helps, and that has really, really helped me. YouTubers like Vibe with Sonia, Grow with Lily, Kelechi Ngbemena, and a lot of them. I admire them and I watch their videos. I learn a lot. So these 6 steps are really helping me. I decided to stick to them and I am seeing results. It's not like I'm not putting in effort in other areas, but these particular ones I mentioned are game changers. I hope you found this video quite useful. To be honest, it can be tiring and discouraging, especially when you bump into videos like how I got monetized after 3 months of starting YouTube, or I got monetized 6 months after I started. And you have been on this game for like how long? So it can be quite discouraging, but the important thing is that you know what you're doing, you're putting in work, and you are growing. So that's just it. And I really hope and wish we all grow together, spread our wings, and fly as high as we can. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I hope you I hope you found this video useful. I would love to hear from you. I want to see your comments, your likes, your shares. I hope you found this video useful.